What's up, internet? It's your man, Romeo Garcia. And I know you saw my video before. That was just me goofing off. But really, I just wanted to kind of, you know, serious, bring the mood kind of serious. But let's talk about cheating today. First of all, for anybody that cheats for no apparent reason, or you cheat because your spouse isn't giving you what you need, you's a bitch, and I'm gonna just put it out there. You are a bitch, cause that is a bitch move. And like my parents have always told me, if you walk like a duck, if you talk like a duck, if you quack and waddle like a duck, guess what you are? You're a duck. I mean, there's no point to cheating. I mean, if you really don't want that person that bad, then just don't be with them to start with if you know you're going to do it. It makes absolutely no sense. Secondly, I'm going to just go ahead and let you know, despite that I have this pimple on my lip, like right there, which is not herpes or any type of cold sore, it's just a pimple. So anybody that got something to say about it, you can shut the fuck up about it. Besides that, you see me? I'm a very attractive person, if I do say so myself. This facial hair right here, this right here, I know I need a haircut, but still, I can pull your girl with this face that I got right now. Matter of fact, I was talking to somebody, and I ain't hardly had no facial hair at all besides my mustache. So anybody that's doubting me, my thing is you can suck my left toe, and we'll just be done with it, and that's it. But a nigga is single, and I've been single for how many years? 17. Yeah, basically whole life. Never had a girl before, and kind of looking for one. So if you cheat, that just gives your girl more of an excuse to come to my sexy self, where I don't cheat and I won't do that type shit to your girl because I'm a gentleman. And what are you? Like I said in the beginning, a bitch. And my thing is, females cheat too. Let me talk to the females about cheating. When you cheat, you think a nigga is emotionless. Hell to the fuck no. No, we are not emotionless. Niggas are just like you. It is just socially acceptable that we swallow up everything and let our pride get ahead of us. But behind closed doors, guess what we doing? We calling our sisters, we calling our boys, and we probably like drinking like some Taco Bell or Baja Blast or something like that. And we are breaking down, crying, and then the next day it's just like, what in the world? It's bad. So the point is, don't cheat at all, because it's a bitch move and it's not cool. Thank you for your time, and have a great evening.